So you guys have a Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and you have an issue where you're caught in a boot loop. Basically what it's doing, it's consistently restarting. Going to give you guys service solutions to get you up and running right now. So first thing I want to mention is this one is obviously fixed, but let's pretend that I'm stuck in a boot loop. It's just constantly rebooting, okay? So first thing we want to do is just try a forced restart. So we got the two buttons here. What we want to do is press and hold both buttons and do not let go until we see the Samsung logo. So let's just do that together, okay? So let's pretend I'm caught in a boot loop here. Two buttons here, ready? 1, 2, 3, press and hold, and just keep on holding. Just wait. Still holding both buttons, keep on holding. Keep on holding. Okay, now you see the Samsung logo, go ahead and let go, and hopefully it boots up normally, okay? If you're still stuck in a boot loop, then we're gonna go to step number 2. Okay, so next thing we're going to do first is we're going to go ahead and spam the power/home button, which is on top right here, okay? Spamming by pressing it in and out really fast, because if that button is stuck or jammed, or maybe you have some lint in there or coffee or water, it can cause an issue with the boot loop, because that is the power button as well, okay? So keep spamming it just like that. Now go ahead and grab your charger. I'm going to put it on there and just wait about like 5 seconds, okay? After 5 seconds, come back, and while it's charging, we're going to force restart it again, okay? Press and hold both buttons here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold both buttons. Just keep on holding. Still holding here. Pretend I'm still stuck in a boot loop here. Still holding. So now you see the Samsung logo. Now go ahead and let go, and hopefully it boots up normally, okay? If not, then we're going to go to the next possible solution. Now, before you try this third step, which is the last step, if you tried these first two methods and it didn't work, try it again. Try step 1, step 2. It doesn't work, keep trying it. Keep trying it up to like 5 or 6 times, okay? If it still didn't work, and the last thing I have for you is basically just go ahead and get your watch and just let it run dead. So let it stay stuck in the boot loop, and then once it's totally dead, there's still a little bit of battery juice in there, okay, like a residual. As soon as it dies, wait 2 more days. After 2 more days, come back, go ahead and pop your charger back onto your watch. Let it charge for a bit, and then turn your phone on, and hopefully you are back up and running, okay? If after you turn it back on, and it's still stuck in a boot loop, then try the forced restart again with the 2 buttons, okay? Anyway, if this worked for you, give me a thumbs up and let us all know which step worked for you, number 1, 2, or 3. And if it didn't work, give a thumbs down. We should see at least a 60% thumbs up, all right? Good luck, guys.